insurance agent. Visit amfam.com to find an American Family agent near you.
When someone you care about needs help living independently, it's a very challenging time. And it's probably something you're not as prepared for as you'd like to be. Take our free independent living assessment. That's Integral Healthcare.
That they're very personable. They use the customer's name. That's very important to me. And they always thank you. They're very friendly. North Valley Bank is one of the best banks around because they are hometown